Okay, so we are outside and it's hot. It's what, the end of February. I think it's gonna be a hot one. So I feel confident or comfortable planting these pumpkin seeds. Ooh, it's over here. Planting these pumpkin seeds in my bed. This is my bed. My husband designed it. It's an H. Yeah. So I feel comfortable throwing my seeds out here and the plant surviving. I'll take care of it, I promise. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant these seeds. And watch me do it. Hi, how you doing? Good? Cool. Let's do some work. Okay, so I've dropped the seeds. I'm just doing 2 because I feel like they'll germinate. I'll just push it down a little bit to there. And then we'll just cover it up. I'm gonna water it, don't worry. I'm gonna push this down, and cover it up. So I do have drip irrigation. It's not on right now because I would like my bed to be full before I'm watering the whole thing. I don't want to plug anything. I don't want to change anything. So until then, I'm just going to go ahead and overhand water these seeds. I think I might put some jars over them just to protect them, to keep them warm at night, and to keep my dogs out of the bed. So I just put some water in this jar, and it is sink water. I let it sit for a few minutes. They say that's good to do. It's good to do that and let it sit and let the chemicals kind of evaporate, because there's chemicals in the water. And again, whatever your plants eat and drink, so do you, if you're eating them like I am. All right, we're watering it. I'm not worried that the seeds are gonna shift. If they do shift, okay, but it is a little aggressive, but you know, if they're gonna survive, they're gonna survive. There's 2, so hopefully they both germinate and I'll have my choice. I can't have double plants on this one. You have to, it's one or none. Okay. So I think that's a good amount of water to get, you know, a little drinky drink. Everybody needs water. The soil's warm too, which is nice. So they should be okay, but they are babies. So I think I will put some jars over them so they germinate and, you know, wake up and say, hey, it's nice here. Ooh, let's relax. Let's let our roots hang out, you know, and then they want to stay and live. But I want to grow just 2 pumpkin plants there and there. That's where the sunlight comes in. I want it to have the most sunlight. And this is actually my compost in place. So I let water get on it, and I drop you know, compost in there, and it breaks down. There's worms in there. I was digging this up and there was worms, so I was happy to see that. This is my cauliflower I got from Callie Kim. I let it die. I should have harvested it. I still can. That's my problem. Sometimes I don't harvest, which is a waste. Yeah, I said that. Sorry.